Do you ever feel like no matter what you do, it's never quite enough? Welcome to the Perfection Trap, where the pursuit of flawlessness leaves us feeling stuck, anxious, and unworthy. Experts tell us perfectionism has been rising for decades. It's fueled by comparison, social expectations, and the illusion that our worth depends on flawless achievement. But the truth? Perfection is impossible, and chasing it keeps us trapped. The way out isn't harsher discipline, it's gentler eyes. Research by Dr. Kristen Neff shows that self-compassion lowers stress, builds resilience, and makes us more likely to grow. When we treat ourselves with the kindness we'd give a friend, we free ourselves from perfection's grip. Imperfection becomes a gift when we design flows that work in real life. Instead of rigid, unrealistic standards, we create untrapped daily flows, sustainable rituals that ground us in presence, appreciation, and release. Consistency, not perfection, builds freedom. When we release perfection, embrace compassion, and build flows that are enough for us, life opens. Perfection is an illusion. Humanity is real. In this module, you'll learn how to step off the impossible treadmill and start living free, untrapped, and whole.